What's up? Welcome back to Hodge-Podge Garage. Guess what? We are out at the camp. As you can see, this is the camp where we store our big cat. We've got the gigging boat over here, and we had a hard freeze lately. And with that, one of the PVC pipes burst. Water pipe. This is actually the water pipe that goes down and way out there to the dock. It feeds out there. So easy fix. All we gotta do is take a saw, hack it off at both ends, go to Home Depot, spend 65 cents on 2 couplings, then we're just gonna glue that up there, do another coupling down on the bottom, bing bang boom, we're done. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Just basically cut a couple pieces, put a couple couplings on, glue it together, and now we will have water out to the dock, which is out there. You can kind of see it. There's a sink out there. So luckily dodged a bullet, and none of the ones feeding the house broke or ruptured.